How to screen record on your iPhone 14. So to screen record on your iPhone, first step is that enable the screen recording in the control center if not already enabled. Open up the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the screen recording. If you don't find the screen recording, just go and long press on that, go for the A control, and here you have to search for a control for the screen recording and you have to add that. After adding that, to record or screen record, you have to just tap on that screen recording. So after you tap on the screen recording option, you will see the 3-second countdown before the recording begins. So to stop that, you have to just tap or toss on that. Also, you can just go for this and just toss on that. You will be prompted to see the stop option. And that's it. Then your screen recording will be stop and begin like this on your iPhone 14. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.